Today we'll talk about how can you fix that problem you have on your OfferUp. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. So when you click on settings, it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, so you just go down here, then you click here on apps, then you come to next step here, and here can you looking for OfferUp, or just click here on searching up, then you add here OfferUp. It's going to show for you, click on it, then it's going to take you to this list. Then you click here on for stop, click on OK. So then you get down, click here on storage, then you click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it, then it's going to fix with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.